Are you looking for simple and creative birthday decoration ideas that you can do at home? You don't need a big budget to make a beautiful celebration look beautiful. With some balloons, ribbons, flowers, fairy lights, and a little creativity, you can easily create a cute and festive birthday setup right at home. Try a beautiful balloon background, decorate a simple cake table, and finish it with pretty lights for that extra special look. These easy birthday decoration ideas are perfect for kids, girls, boys, or even a cozy family celebration. Which decoration idea is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing cake designs and decoration ideas. I will see you tomorrow inshallah. Until then, please take care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you.